Ordering food at a cafe.
Hello, I would like to order something, please.
Of course. What would you like today?
I would like a cup of coffee.
What size would you like?
I would like a medium size.
Would you like it hot or iced?
I would like it hot, please.
Would you like sugar or milk?
Yes, please add a little sugar.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich.
Would you like fries with that?
No, thank you.
Anything else for you today?
Yes, I would also like a chocolate muffin.
That sounds good.
How much is everything together?
Your total is $12.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payments are accepted.
Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
How long will my order take?
It'll be ready in about 5 minutes.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, there is an empty table there.
Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
At the supermarket.
Hello, can you help me find some items?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I need fresh milk and some bread.
Milk is in aisle 3 and bread is in aisle 2.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome.
Do you have whole wheat bread available?
Yes, it is on the top shelf.
How much does this bread cost?
It costs $3 today.
Is there any discount on the milk?
Yes, there is a special offer today.
That sounds great.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I also need a dozen eggs.
Eggs are in the refrigerated section.
Are these eggs fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
Where can I find fruit juice?
Fruit juice is in aisle 5.
Do you have orange juice without sugar?
Yes, we have a few brands available.
Can I pay by card at the checkout?
Yes, card payments are accepted.
Where is the checkout counter?
It is near the front entrance.
Could I have a shopping bag, please?
Yes, here is a large shopping bag.
Thank you for being so helpful today.
You are very welcome.
Taking a taxi in English.
Hello. Are you available right now?
Yes, where would you like to go?
I need to go to the train station.
Sure, please get inside the car.
How long will the trip take?
It will take about 20 minutes.
Is there much traffic on the road?
There is a little traffic near downtown.
Can you take the fastest route, please?
Yes, I will take the highway.
Thank you. I am in a hurry today.
Do not worry. We should arrive on time.
How much will the ride cost?
It will cost around $15.
Can you turn on the meter, please?
Yes, the meter is on now.
The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful afternoon.
Do you drive this route every day?
Yes, I know this area very well.
Please stop near the main entrance.
Of course, I will stop there.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payments are accepted.
Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
Could you help me with my luggage?
Yes, I will help you with it.
Thank you for the comfortable ride.
You are very welcome.
Speaking English on a phone call.
Hello, may I speak to Daniel, please?
Yes, this is Daniel speaking.
Hi, Daniel. This is Emma calling.
Hello, Emma. How are you today?
I am doing well. Thank you.
That is good to hear.
Are you free to talk right now?
Yes, I have a few minutes.
I wanted to ask about tomorrow's meeting.
Sure. What would you like to know?
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 in the morning.
Where will the meeting take place?
It will be at the main office downtown.
Should I bring any documents with me?
Yes, please bring your ID and notebook.
Okay, I will prepare everything tonight.
That sounds great.
Will other team members be there too?
Yes, everyone from the project team will attend.
How long do you think the meeting will last?
It should last about 2 hours.
Thank you for the information.
You are very welcome.
Sorry for calling you so late.
No problem at all.
I will see you tomorrow then.
Yes, see you tomorrow morning.
Have a good evening.
You too. Take care.
Renting a house in English.
Hello, I am calling about the apartment for rent.
Hello. Yes, the apartment is still available.
That is great to hear.
Would you like to know more about it?
Yes. How many bedrooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Is the apartment fully furnished?
Yes, it comes with basic furniture.
How much is the monthly rent?
The rent is $800 per month.
Are utilities included in the rent?
Water is included, but electricity is separate.
Is there a parking space available?
Yes, there is 1 parking space included.
That sounds very convenient.
The apartment is also close to public transport.
Can I visit the apartment tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow afternoon would be fine.
What time should I come?
Please come around 3 o'clock.
Okay, I will be there on time.
Please bring your ID with you.
Sure, I will bring it.
Do you have any pets?
No, I do not have any pets.
That is good to know.
How long is the lease agreement?
The lease is for 1 year.
Thank you for answering my questions.
You are very welcome.